Hello everyone, my name is Humberto Guerra. I'm from the BASA program at Boynton Beach High School. I want to present my idea for the drone tank. Nowadays, there are drones used in agriculture that with the help of a software are able to make maps and detect problems in plantations. My proposal is that we implement a drone that based on the data obtained can go to the farm and take samples and extract small plants if necessary. The drone should have a robotic arm, small containers to store the samples, and cameras so that the operators can see. Here is a drawing of how it may look like. Four ways the drone can help farmers are: first, systematically detect pests and diseases in an accurate manner throughout the crop cycle so that the farmer can act quickly and efficiently and make sampling more accurate per unit area. Second, contribute to get traceability in the field for the certification of organic products. Third, taking a soil sample to know its chemical composition and humidity during the cycle. And fourth, limit access to the plantation to reduce physical damage to the crop and contamination of the field by the intervention of man. All of these contributes to a higher performance. I want to put as an example processing tomatoes. In this case, the solid content and other industrial parameters can be sampled to program the harvest and thus achieve greater industrial performance. Manufacturers adjust what they pay for the tomato to the solid content. I want to say thank you for the opportunity that I am having to collaborate with the innovation and research in this country.